Well, hello. This is Esther again. I had to go put my face on because, before when I did the video, I didn't look so good. It's the morning. I got to have my coffee and all. I didn't have any coffee before. But now, I had a little coffee. I got a little dress for my earrings on. You like my earrings? I got them at the dollar store. What you can find at that dollar store? Oh my goodness. I can't even tell you. It's like, I have to say, my best friend Danny, she introduced me to the dollar store, okay? I never went in those places. I thought they was like dirty and skanky and whatnot, but you know what? You find all kinds of wonderful things in the dollar store, okay? Anyway, so yesterday, like I said, my friend, she said, girl, you didn't make your bed. And I said, oh no, I didn't make my bed. But look at I did. I made my bed, even though, I've got all these problems. I got the fibromyalgia. I got the diabetes mellitus. Sometimes I get the gout, but, I haven't got the gout in a long time. But anyway, I'm here to tell y'all all about that bad thing called the snow. I look outside, it's bad. Let me tell y'all about the snow. The snow pretty, the snow white. You know, I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Bye.